give your body time to adapt to the diet. In addition to giving your body time to adapt, it's important to eat the right types of foods on the keto diet. Focus on getting healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, and avoid processed foods and artificial sweeteners. Finally, remember to listen to your body and adjust your diet and exercise routine as needed. Everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. A group of people doing a high-intensity workout together, with a trainer motivating them. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you combine the keto diet with your fitness routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Stay fit and healthy. In addition to these tips, some people may find that the keto diet isn't the best fit for their fitness goals, while others may thrive on it. It's all about finding what works best for you and your body. In conclusion, the keto diet can be a great way to improve your overall health and even enhance your athletic performance. As long as you take the time to adapt, pay attention to your electrolytes, eat enough protein, choose quality carbs, and listen to your body. Happy training! Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you on your fitness journey.